Rumor Honeybottom's third phase from Cuphead is not supposed to be in the logo. Take 2. Cut. You're not supposed to have the Kirby death from Kirby's Dream Land in there. Take 3. Cut. The image is not supposed to be upside down. Take 4. Cut. The image is not supposed to be flipped. Take 5. Cut. DW is not supposed to be here. Take 6. Cut. Zuma is not supposed to be in the logo. Take 7.
And by the U.S. Department of Education and the Corporation for Public Broadcasting. And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Cut. The Arthur funding just interrupted this. Take 8. Cut. Dot. You threw up again. That's disgusting. And I think you're sick. Once you get some rest, we'll do take 9. Cut. Xavier Riddle is not supposed to be here. Take 10. Cut. Flight of the Bumblebee is not supposed to be playing in the background. Take 11. Cut. This is not Fox. This is PBS Kids. Take 12.
You see that my relationship is stable. I can see you hate the way we intermingle.
Cut. Stronger Than You is not supposed to be playing in the background. Take 13. Cut. The Beehive, bees, and honey are not supposed to be blue. Final take. If you mess it up, then I am done, and this ID will be canceled. Final take, also known as take 14. Good job! Our next blooper video will be the Cave ID Bloopers. Bye!